All right, people. I'm way up in the attic. Just to let you know, it's the 21st here in Houston of January 2025. Let me show you what's happening out here. Look at that. It's a blizzard here. It's a blizzard here in Houston. Look at it. Look at that. Huh? There are the cars. And it's coming down, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a few inches. Look at that. Huh? White out. Let me go take a little walk out there. Let's go check it out. Let's go. The way it looks on the other side, oh, you can see it. There's the whole neighborhood back there that they just built. It's a blizzard. Let's go check it out. Woo! That's the attic up in here. So we're going down. Let's see what's really going on. Valley coldness. Let's go to the front. Let's check it out. I'm going out. Let's go see people. See what we got out there. Ooh. It's gonna slow it down a little bit. You can see. All right, here we go. This is outside the front yard. You hear that? The footsteps right there. Let's check this out, people. Let's see if my light will open. If it's not frozen. Nope. It's all good. Here we go. We're gonna go check it out. Let's go see what's going on here down the street. Ooh. I can barely open it from the snow. So we're going. Woo! Take a look at this, huh? Here we are. Let's go take a look at down the street. Oh my God. This is no wonderland out here. It is packed. Oh, you hear the birds? Now this doesn't happen here in H-Town often. Maybe once every 10 years or something like that. So let's go check it out down the street, how it looks. It is some snow, baby. Woo! Oh, slushy there. They haven't picked up the heavy trash here for a while. We need to hurry up and do that. That's still from the hurricane. Can you believe that? There's people making all kind of excuses. They don't have enough workers. Bunch of baloney, if you ask me. Here we go. Take a look at the new street we're getting built right here. Woo! It's coming down. It's coming down. Let me see, do we have anybody on the road here? Somebody that's gonna, nope. There is no one on the streets, people. As you can see, this is the new road they're building right here. That's new. All of this. We're gonna have sidewalks. As you can see that. And be able to go all through here. Look at that. Woo! It is coming down. It's a blizzard. It's a blizzard, I tell you. You can see it. Let's see what's happening over here. It's snowing. No vehicles in sight. Whew. It's a whiteout. Look at that. You can hardly see all the way across through there because it's just coming down. Woohoo! It's coming down now. Oh man. Here we go. We're going back. We are going back, people. I'm the only one out here, so you can see what it's like here. 2025, January 21st. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Double check on that for you. No, it's 8:01. 8:01. See that, huh? Check it out. Let's go back down this road. Got a little curve there. Here we go. Yeah. Only my steps are out here. Woo! It is coming down. Better keep your face down. All that snow just hits your face and it's just cold. Well, I can't say we don't have the experience of a small little blizzard here. It's coming down. You can't see all the way down the road because there's so much snow coming down. Woo! Tell you what, it's getting a little cold here now. Just thought I'd come out here and let you know what it's like. Cold weather here. Texas. Houston, Texas. Hardly ever happens out here, like I said. Woo, that baby is coming down. It is coming down. Whew. Let's see what's happening here. Oh, it's coming down. Oh, it's burning. It's burning, people. Okay, let me see. Here's my roof up there. That's what it looks like. So let's go back in because it's cold. And there's Big Mama. Just had to come out and do it too. It is snowing. It's when you come this way that it gets you. A quail or something. Huh? Oh yeah. I want to see if I can start my vehicle. Well, that started all right.
After melting a little bit later on today.
Well, you know, that's just the way it is. Just the way it is, people. It's cold out here. Just started the car just so I don't. I mean, I'm not going anywhere. Just to see what it's doing. Whew. Time to go back in. And there we are, people. There it is. Took care of my little plants here. Hopefully they survive. And the trees. It's just getting cold. Cold, I tell you. Cold. I didn't cover these up. They always come back strong. Yes, 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 it's all snowed in, baby. There we are. Little Shaggy. Just now. I think we got it right there. I would say about almost 3 inches right now. I'm gonna go measure it in a little bit. And here's what it looks. Still coming down. Well, people, that's what it is out here. Thought I'd give you a little glimpse at it. Give me a thumbs up, baby. Coming out here for the cold. I know it's nothing to some of you that are used to all this, but here in H-Town, this is a novelty. So, hey, much love to everybody. Y'all take it easy.